Good evening. I'm going for the last problem of this rectification of errors. Okay, when we go for this, a bookkeeper while balancing his books finds that trial balance did not agree. Being required to prepare final accounts, he places the difference to a newly opened suspense account, which is carried forward to the next year. In the next year, the following mistakes were discovered. I already told you that whenever you are carrying this errors of last year to this year, okay, we should not take into account the suspense account. We have to take into account the profit and loss adjustment account wherever necessary. Now we are going for the mistakes whatever had happened. Okay, first one is sales book undercast by 1000 rupees. General expenses of 1180 was posted in general ledger as 1800. Auditor's fees rupees 5000 paid to Kailash Bank was debited to his personal account. While carrying the total of one page of the purchases book to the next page, the amount of rupees 21,350 was written as 21,530. An amount of rupees 5,200 owing by Rajesh had been omitted from the schedule of sundry debtors. Okay, goods, next one is goods bought from a merchant amounting to rupees 3,500 had been posted to the credit of his account as 8,500. An item of rupees 910 entered in the sales returns book has been posted to the debit of the customer who returned the goods. Pause the necessary journal entries, prepare suspense account and show the effect of rectification on the profit and loss account of the last year. This is the thing that we come across. Now we are going one by one this thing. Okay, so the first one is sales book was overcast by 1000 rupees. Okay, this is last year and this mistake was brought down to this year. So when it was brought down to this year, instead of going for suspense account, you have to go for profit and loss adjustment account. So the first one is profit and loss suspense account data, profit and loss adjustment account data, profit and loss adjustment account data 1000 rupees. 2. Sales account 1000 rupees. This is the first entry that we come across. Okay, and what is the narration? Being overcast of sales book brought forward, now rectified. The next one is general expenses of 1180 was posted in general ledger as 1800. Okay, general expenses, okay, of last year. So it is 1180. Okay, but it was posted as 1800. So you have to take the difference. 620. Okay, 620 is a excess amount that we come across, and this thing should be eliminated. So when we are bringing that to the current year, I told you already that we have to go for profit and loss adjustment account. There it was shown in suspense account. In order to make the trial balance agreed, they'll show that in the suspense account. Now we have to rectify that. So the second entry is suspense account data Suspense account data 622. Profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account 620. Okay, being overshone of the general expenses in last year, brought forward and rectified. That is the narration that we come across. Next, third one. Auditor's fees rupees 5,000 paid to Kailash Bank was credited to his personal account. We are paying auditor's fees, not for him. Personally, we are not paying to that person. So we are paying audit fees. So you have to write in audit fees account, but not in his personal account. Now, here we are doing the rectification this year of last year's mistake. So we have to write profit and loss adjustment account data. Profit and loss adjustment account data. Profit and loss adjustment account data. Data to Kailash Bank, because we have shown in his account, Kailash Bank account. Okay, 5,000 rupees. This is the third entry. Okay, being mistake of debiting personal account rectified. That is the narration. Now, fourth one. While carrying the total of one page of the purchaser's book to the next page, the amount of rupees 21,350 was written as 21,530. Actually, the amount is 21,350, but the written amount is 530. That is, there is an excess amount 0, 8, 1. So 180 rupees difference. So that thing, it was shown in suspense account last year, and now we are taking that to the profit and loss adjustment account. Okay? Okay. Now what is the entry that we come across? Suspense account data. Suspense account data 180 to profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account 180. Okay, next. Okay, fifth one. Okay, the entry, the adjustment. Being mistake debiting, being mistake debiting purchases account with excess amount of 180 rupees rectified. Now we are going for the fifth entry. What is the fifth one? An amount of rupees 5,200 owing by Rajesh had been omitted from the schedule of sundry debtors. We are not writing this. Okay, it was omitted. When it was omitted, now we have to add that. So, what is the entry? Debtors account data to suspense account. We have to show that in debtors. So, debtors account data to suspense account. To suspense account. How much? 5,200. being omission of the amount now rectified, being the amount omitted in debtor's account now rectified. Now, sixth one. Goods bought from a merchant amounting to rupees 3,500 had been posted to the credit of his account as 8,500. That is, okay, 5,000 rupees extra. 5,000 rupees extra. Okay, when it is 5,000 rupees extra, we have to write supplier's account, suspense account debtor to supplier's account. Sorry, supplier's account, not suspense. Supplier's account debtor to suspense account, because it was shown more. Supplier's account debtor 5,000 to suspense account to suspense account 5,000, being excess money shown in supplier's account now rectified. Okay, this is the 6 entries, and one more entry is there, that is nothing but the 7th entry. That is nothing but the 7th entry. Okay, 7th entry. What is that? What is the mistake? An item of 910 entered in the sales returns book had been posted to the debit of the customer who returned the goods. So here, suspense account debtor to customer account, that is wrongly shown. Suspense account debtor 910 to customer's account. Customer's account 910. Okay. Now after this, you have to show the suspense account as well as profit and loss account. Whatever it may be, the difference that we come across, we have to transfer to capital account. Mind it. Now we have to go for suspense account. Mind it. Now I am preparing the suspense account. Now I am preparing the suspense account. I am going to leave a gap, and then I am going for suspense account. Yeah. DR, CR, debit credit. Now, wherever the suspense account comes, we have to show that. Next, if you go for second entry, you are having this suspense. So suspense account debtor to profit and loss account, 620 rupees. So to profit and loss account, I am writing simply P&L adjustment account, ADJ adjustment account, 620. That is the second entry that will come. Next, after that, next, fourth entry, suspense account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account, 180. So here we are preparing. Okay, to P&L adjustment account 180. Okay, next. After that, Debtors account debtor, that is the fifth one. Debtors account debtor to suspense account 5,200. Okay. By debtors account. By debtors account. Okay, 5,200. Debtors account 5,200. Next, sixth one, suppliers account debtor to suspense account 5,000 rupees. So by suppliers account. Sorry, by suppliers account. By suppliers account. How much? 5,000. Okay. Next. Yeah, first one is there. Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to suspense account. That thing we have to write. Now I am writing that. By. Sorry, this must be written first. By P&L adjustment account. It must be shown first. Sorry. Okay. So 1,000. Now we have to go for the suspense account and we have to see what is the balance. Okay. 11,200. Okay. Now here also 11,200. Okay. What is the balance? 0, 0. $10,400 to balance carried down. Okay, this thing it will become by balance brought down. So 10,400. Okay, this thing sorry, wait. I'm sorry. Okay. We have to see the last one also. By P&L adjustment account. I'm sorry. P&L adjustment account. Okay, without seeing that I balance. Okay. Now to come in. The seventh one is suspense account debtor to customers account. So we have to write that thing also. Sorry. To customers account. To customers account. Okay. It is not 910 please. Sorry. It is not 910. It is nothing but the doubled amount. Because seventh one is an item of rupees 910 entered in the sales returns book had been posted to the debit of the customer who returned the goods. So sales returns, they'll show debit balance. So it was shown, but it was written in the debit side of the customer's account. So it must be corrected. This 8, 9, 10 rupees, whatever we have written already in customer's account, it should be deducted. So we have to show that on the credit side. So to customer's account, in that case you have to double the figure. 1,820. 1,820. Now we have to go for the total. Here 11,200. 11,200. Here also 11,200. Now when you tally this, 0, 12 plus 8, 20, 12 plus 8, 22, 10, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 5, 17 plus 5, 22, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 8, 8,500. to balance carried down. To balance carried down 8,580. By balance brought down 8,580. 8,580. Okay. This is how you will come across this thing. Now, this is the suspense account that we come across, and the suspense amount still it is 8,580 to be rectified. Now we have to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account because we are taking that in this year. So what are the things that we come across in profit and loss adjustment account? We have to see that. So after this, I am going for profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. Now what are the items that we are transferring to profit and loss account? We have to see one by one, and we have first one is to suspense account. To suspense account 1,000 rupees. Okay. Next, the second thing is by suspense account 620. By suspense account 620. By suspense account 620. Next, to Kailash Bank. To Kailash Bank account. Okay, to Kailash Bank account 5,000. Next, by suspense account 180. By suspense account 180. Next, yeah, these are the things that we come across, so we have to tally this and we have to see 6,000. Okay, now here also 6,000. Now we have to balance, and that balance it should be transferred to capital, as if we have to lose 0, 0, so yeah, 7 plus 5,200. This thing we have to transfer to capital, by capital account. By capital account 5,200. This thing we have to take that as a loss, and we have to show that transfer. Now what is the entry? The eighth one is capital account debtor. Capital account debtor 5,200 to profit and loss adjustment account 5,200. being loss on, okay, taking of the mistakes transferred to capital account, being loss on, transferment, profit and loss adjustment transferred to capital account. This is how you will come across the adjustment, rectification entries. Okay, I suppose that you can able to understand this. This thing will come whenever the errors of last year when they are transferred to this year. So this is how we have to prepare the journal entries. We have to see the suspense account as well as we have to see the profit and loss adjustment account. And whatever it may be, the loss that we come across in profit and loss adjustment account, we have to transfer that to capital account and we have to deduct that. And again we will have 8,580 rupees suspense account. It means that still we have to rectify. Then only the suspense account will become nil. So with this, I am stopping this rectification of errors, and tomorrow in the next class I am going to start a new topic. Okay, so thank you very much.